Right guys, as for rain, no good. Mission today, it is try, because weather's no good, try remove the fuel tank, because owners decide it won't as well do this job and clean the rust everywhere where rust it is. So let's start. Right guys, so that two pipe disconnection and pull over there. Two bolt here have to be disconnection, so I'm start for that one. Already we have, so that's just clamp. That one you need to push here, then click off. It's no easy, but nice smell fuel. I love fuel smell. Rain, so we back to S4. Stop rain, we back to game. That and that bolt disconnection, and we see, can we have this one loose, or we have something on the top as well. Of course it's fight rust, so that bolt it's turn like around, and yeah, it's stuck inside. So I'm disconnection this one and take off all bracket and break pipe out. There it's loose, but I don't know this is disconnection here or not, but we see when tank go out. Now it's 1, 2, 3. I don't know how this one, I think it's hold as well. And that heat shield must go out. So two clips to handbrake, two bolt, and should be everything go down. That heat shield is good condition, clean or blasting to looks better, but like you see it's okay. So that guy is gone. So this moment we have to disconnection that pipe. You see white thing, you need to push in, push in, push the button and pull. It should be disconnection as well. Filter I am left because quite bad screw. Anyway, its tank come off. Then we disconnection that one in the garden, more space and blah blah. I don't know, somebody was here because that grease, or I don't know what is this, but yeah, that pipe disconnection now. This moment I'm talk to self, so for the future, first white, in the middle blue, and last one it is filter. Probably interior on the future be clean wash and everything, so we don't worry about that one. Just we take out seat and we go to pump, fuel pump. Need disconnection everything. Alright, have to disconnection that plug as well, probably over there. Screwdriver, and no big deal. Just make sure it's plug, it's old. Try to not damage. Gently guys. Yeah, everything disconnection, and when tank go down, then we decide what's going on. Make sure it's everything disconnection over there as well. Plug, it's disconnection. This moment disconnection one pipe. This is probably pipe what go down. Just I think it's both disconnection, maybe for safety. I think it's don't have to, but better if we do. You know, don't break nothing. I think it's that everything here, it's everything disconnection, so go looks under. So take a bolt, and we try slow put a tank down. Yeah, it's everything disconnection, so far so good. One bolt it's gone. It is not much fuel there. Last time we 10 liters, something that, so should be 10 kilo. Last bolt left, guys. That's crazy. Yeah, well, last bolt, and we try slow put tank down. Maybe pipe over there, what tank pipe, it's be challenge, but we see how going on. Yeah, here it's ready. That pipe come in, just when slide down, then we push down. Here disconnection, there disconnection, plug, yes, cable disconnection. He is heavy. Must be more, it's 10 liters fuel there. Tank ins go out. So plug put in and wires, this and this one, then put a cover. When we clean rust, we don't have dust inside, because be plenty dust, rust dust. So it's put on. Now put seat back, take screwdriver and everything what was here put back. Looks like that. That's why I'm take tank off, because everything behind the tank, no chance clean. This moment we have a lot more space to clean everything, to protect everything. So soon we do a cleaning, but yeah, soon suffering come from some blasting and powder coating. Now I take that one, that no exists already. Chilled as well no exists, we have to fix, but we see probably no available. Now it's this, guys. Will be great. Take that panel and this one. Will be great, because under it's rust as well. Do all, but I need to speak to owner what he think. Now I'm I don't know what happened here. I need to check linkage first, any available. I hope it is. We have already kit fix for repaired this one, refibration, but we see. like you see, guys, it's every place should clean. If that much time we spend for that baby, if we spend little more, it is actually you know, it's protect there, but here rust, that no make sense. I think we do everything as well. That plastic probably we take off, and under we try clean. Have to speak to an area, but I think it's didn't say alright. Yep. Alright, guys, so tank out. What make me happy, my junkyard. That pipe, it's no problem because we can buy normal pipe, normal like fuel pipe, that size, and just replace for to clamp here as well beside it, because very hard. This is no more pipe, this is plastic now, but this one it's quite rusty, and may I ask in Audi available. Rest tank quite good, just clips. Yeah, guy go to shed and wait for good moment. We everything of course clean, went back, and we replace the filter. We have better access now. Small Corsa have new brakes. So Corsa have new brakes. We remove tank. What make me happy. I think it's that be maybe more difficult job, but that was not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, clean rust be challenge, but don't worry. Passion, love, family, VAC family. See you next time, guys.